Hello! Today, I'm gonna remake the coconut macaroons. The ingredients, you will find it under the video, okay? I have here flour, okay? Coconut flakes. We'll mix it. Okay, I have cream butter here, okay? I will add the sugar and I'm gonna mix it. Now we're gonna add the egg one by one, okay? I'm gonna add the vanilla extract. We're gonna add the condensed milk. Now we're gonna add the coconut with flour. Okay, this is my macaroons butter. So I'm gonna fill each paper cup using ice cream scoop. And I'm gonna bake it for 15 to 20 minutes or till they become golden brown. Now, turn it off and then we will remove the macarons out from the oven. And here how it looks like. Okay, it's very nice. Okay. Now, I will leave the macaron there, okay, till it's cooled down. Now we will check. You see there is no crumbs. And no crumbs, meaning it's evenly cooked, okay? Now, I will taste my macaroons, okay? So, I will show you, okay? Very nice texture, okay? See? Okay. So, very nice texture. Oh, sa Santa Maria is very, it's crunchy. Oh, it's very crunchy. And it's not dried, okay? Oh, yeah. Let's try this at home for a family. And also if you have visitors coming by, you can serve this. I always make this for my husband and my son. for their afternoon tea snacks. Okay? Thanks for watching. God bless, and I hope you like my video. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. That's it. God bless.